这码头还写了说还得错。
Toga sena pe pe sini mata matua le nei aso. E isi fo I ne ia mana mala mai whanau la heti.
Charlton, who wrote the book of Acts?
Luke,
Josiah, who did Luke write to?
Theophilus,
Before Jesus was taken up to heaven, Charlton, what did he do?
he gave commandments,
Through the
Holy Spirit.
to the good job. How many days did Jesus spend with his disciples and what did he talk about? Josiah?
He stayed with his apostles 40 days and talked about the kingdom of God.
Charlton, what did Jesus command his disciples?
Not leave Jerusalem, but wait for the gift my Father promised.
Well done. Josiah, what happened to Jesus after he gave the command?
Went to heaven,
And what covered his eyes?
the clouds,
Good job. Charlton, who suddenly appeared next to the disciples after Jesus was taken up?
two men, they were wearing white suits.
The apostles returned to Jerusalem from a hill called Josiah.
Mount of Olives.
How many apostles were praying in the upper room and why?
11 apostles,
Why?
because one betrayed Jesus and died.
Good job. Who was in the upper room that wasn't an apostle?
Mary and his two brothers.
Who replaced Judas and became the 12th apostle?
Matthias,
Good job. And last question, Josiah. What were they doing in the upper room?